Fellow Nigerians, good morning to you all. I believe some many of you might have seen this face. I've made some videos before pertaining the issue of coronavirus and churches and some celebrities that are not trying. But this time around, I'm not here to make anyone laugh or funny because I'm angry. And I need to say this to every Nigerian. This is not a matter of saying that the issue did not concern me because I have money. So long you have money, you have investment in this country, this video, you must share it. Nigeria has been acting on the rights, threatening the lives and properties of the citizens here. We have not been complaining, but this time around we need to speak up. Because we are dealing with a virus that the solution have not yet been found, and as a result of this, so many restrictions have been imposed on the citizen by first staying inside your house, no food. Now, because of this same corruption, the whole world know that they are pointing fingers on China, that China are the cause of this spread of virus and all that, which is 90% true, if not even 100. And this same Nigeria, China also disbursed some face masks and hand gloves to some of the states, some of those countries, US, and so that was tested and it was coronavirus positive. Meaning they have a hidden agenda, and their agenda is to slow and to kill the economic of other countries. Nigeria is not wise enough. Africans, not that we as Africans are the smartest or the most intelligent, but God is just favoring us based on one or two. But we Africans, the greed for money is very bad, and what is killing us. And what is about to happen now, because the China, they know that Africa, they are smart, they know how to take care of themselves. Now they want to bring the virus to us direct, and now they are using 5G. They are going from countries to countries installing 5G. They will bribe the government of the country. They will allow it to bring, and that 5G is what will help them to spread this virus. I've seen this thing before, so I said I will post it today. I will make some video talk about it and post it. But I'm happy that Senator Dino Melaye saw this also and decided not to keep it to himself this time by exposing it, making a video of it. And if Nigerians, if we don't take precaution on this 5G network, this is not a matter of the president must give an ultimatum of evacuation of this thing. No, if the president or those representing us refuse to take action, we the citizens, because this thing will affect everybody, being you poor, the rich will die, because wherever anywhere this 5G is being installed, nothing lives in that place. No plant, animals, humans. That is to tell you that if you don't take action on this, in the next 5 years, or if possible 1 year, Nigeria will be an history. Because so long that this thing has been installed in Lagos and in Abuja, because of corruption, there is no state that the federal government will not approve for this 5G to be installed. And that means we are all gone. Nigeria are not even reasoning. If Nigerians are reasoning, you are fighting coronavirus. You are allowing China to come to your country to install 5G. For what? Bringing an expert from China, the original founder of coronavirus. See, there are societies where we individuals with the fear to speak of the truth if we see them. But this time around, they don't restrict you, say stay SARS, you don't do SARS. If you not fight, anything where they stop for ground and they here, you dey breathe. So long you dey breathe na threat. Anything wey call any virus that is called airborne disease, you not get what you want to escape on. China.com. Now I want to install this thing. Thank I'm not the only one that saw it. If they do research, now see say presently now they arrest Harvard University professor when they collab with China for this virus where they kill everybody. So we just look at with the laugh. This is not the time of saying you want to do one mock, you want to funny, because when you die, you not feel funny. You not feel funny. So save life now by taking action. Anybody want to see this video, share them. I know they do this video for fame or one thing. I got the make person famous. You got to blow your whistle, you must play. Like what Death Talker talk, whether you hear JC or not. So not be matter of say this thing, because if they install this thing now, they already install for Ikeja and Abuja for every year, it don't finish. All those soldiers wanna they keep people anyhow, so wanna the police, all those ones so you're not gonna feel escape them, because one, you they breathe. You not be robot. Even robot they breathe safe. And those of now maybe our leaders where they shop money, they collect bribe. Till they collect, because you get the way corruption go eat deeply inside of you, you not gonna know whether the devil you not gonna know what it be life again, whether this is day good or not. You just anything where you cost, so long as they give you money, you just take it. It's okay, go. And it's bad. It doesn't make all the feel say we not get educated people for inside the house where they see things. Now poor man will never see money when I call the reason past people where don't see if they think far gay on a shit they will see come this side. That was the same people they come so now soon everybody go die. You go die. So if you like, don't take precaution about this. This is the time that Nigeria needs to stand and fight this thing. This 5G of a thing when they come. So you when get company, you go for. Only this small corona now. See what it does shake us now. Our economy now never even balance. Not balance before corona cause now. They don't bring 5G. We get 3G. That 3G and 4 is enough. Why they carry 5G? They call. Who 5G won't help? No one carry 5G. No one carry 10G. Tell the G people for this country with this. I'm not talking this is funny, but at the best. So the best we can use to save a soul and yours in this country, do it by sharing it. This 5G, say no to this 5G. We not want time. Make China did their own. Anything China, not the last. Now Shinko. So Shinko cannot come. Cause say they want to collect 1 or 2 things from us. No. They want to colonize Nigeria again. Our brain, not the use. So I beg. Thank you.